Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Edward, Alabama on the last of the Mohicans. Well, maybe not that bad, but anyways, the last Galaxy 959 we had on the shelf. Don't know when we'll be able to get some more, but Galaxy's kind of few and far between these days. So congratulations, Edward, for grabbing this up. Got it ready to go with a basic tuning alignment as well as the static Road Devil mic. I'll start with your RF power all the way down. 25 watt slug. It's 1 watt of carrier all the way down. That way if you're going to run an amp, you got full adjustability. 7 watts all the way up. Show you average power swing. Hello, 16 bird. 50 watt slug in PEP. Hello, 1, 2. Hello. 37 watts. Let's roll it all the way down to 1 watt. Hello, 1, 2. Hello. Still 37 watts. All right, Edward, we're going to get this down to the big bam. Appreciate it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum.